Good timing. I just put on the coffee.
Where should I put this?
Anywhere. There. We didn't expect you back so soon. I thought you were gonna stay longer.
Nah, I wasn't staying longer.
CJ will be down in a minute.
How about chocolates?
I don't like chocolates.
Oh. I remembered. That's why I didn't bring any for you. They're for CJ.
You remembered?
Yeah.
Those curtains don't hang properly. Well, CJ said I didn't put them up right.
Sun's come out?
You'll be glad for a bit of sun.
What do you mean?
I mean, you should have a rest for a while. Take some time off and take it easy.
I might just do that.
I bought pie the minute that you called. It's from the Roma. It's homemade.
Smells good.
That's CJ. Don't say anything about the curtains.